Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. In this video, one small thing I would like to tell you that sometime we get this particular warning when we run our Selenium code that OpenQA Selenium DevTools CDP version finder and find nearest match. And you are getting a warning message that unable to find an exact match for CDP version 122, something like this. Returning the closest version found 121. Please update to Selenium version that supports CDP version 122. Maybe in your case, the version number could be anything. So why we are getting this warning? First of all, that this is just a warning. This is not the error or any kind of exception in your code. It is not coming because of your code. It's coming because of your version that you are using for Selenium, right? So this is, don't think that we are getting this exception or error. It means the problem with our code. This is clearly written here that March 16 is today's date. And then warning is just a warning message on the console, nothing else about it. If you really want to fix it, how to fix it? First, I'll tell you that whenever we use Chrome browser version, or let's say any Chromium based version, and when you do a right click and go to inspect, and then this is what a Chrome dev tools where we have multiple tabs like element, console, source, and everything. So this CDP API is also supported by Selenium. After Selenium 4, they have introduced CDP APIs as well. And those CDP APIs is helping me to get the data from, let's see, for example, get the data from the network or some performance metrics or any kind of storage. If I really want to access or any kind of JavaScript I want to execute, I can execute with the CDP. CDP means the Chrome Dev Protocol or Chrome Dev Tools. We can say that. So for every browser version, so for example, let's see if I see my browser version about Google Chrome, which is you can say 122. It means 122 CDP version is not available with my Selenium version. So for example, if my Selenium version I'm using, which is 4.17.0, and assume that 4.170 is, we need to check that 4.1.7.0, which CDP version it is supporting. That is a question mark. And my current browser version is 122. It means I'm using Chrome 122. It means obviously my CDP version is also 122, right? So in that case, we have to find out that whatever the version that I'm using, 4.17.0 for Selenium in my pom.xml file, I'll check it on their official GitHub. Is it really supporting 122 or not, right? So let's see. I'll do one thing. I simply open a new tab and then I'll go to Selenium GitHub page here. Let's go to Selenium official GitHub page and we will see the latest release done by Selenium. So I'll go to tags over here and under tag, I'll go to the release tab here. And then I'll slightly scroll down and I'll see, let's see 4.1.80 available. I'm using Selenium with Java. So I'll go to the Java change log. And here I can see that 4.1.81 is available, which is supporting for 122, and they have removed the support for 119. It means if I really want to use with my Chrome browser version, which is 122, which is available here, it means I have to upgrade it to the 4.18.1 that I have to use it here, right? So I'm using 4.170, and for 4.170, what is the latest CDP version support available? The latest CDP version support available here, you can see that for Chrome 121. So I have two choices. First, either if I really want to ignore this particular warning, and then I simply do one thing, I just simple downgrade to 121, then there is no issue with that because 4.170 is supporting CDP 121, which is clearly written over here. But generally, we don't downgrade the browser. Browser is already upgraded to 122. Now I'm using CDP 122. Now I check that which Selenium version is supporting CDP 122. So here I'll just check that what if the latest release in the 4.180, they have not mentioned anything about CDP 122. That's why they have released one minor version also, that is 4.18.1. It's not a new release, it's just a hot fix or hot patch, you can say 4.18.1 that they have given. Only one change that they have done, which is supporting Chrome 122 here. So I'll do one thing, I simple update my Selenium version to 4.18.1 here. And now I'll just save it and then run my code once again. And let's see, is it really giving me the same warning or not? So I'll run this program, open my console browser. I mean console here, browser is launched, and here you can see I'm not getting any kind of warning related to CDP. The warning is gone, and then it's giving me the proper output and everything like earlier without any warning here. So this is how you have to do what? You have to upgrade your Selenium version, which is whatever the latest version that we have seen, 4.18.1, right? That is what we have to upgrade. Now let's see after 15 days what happens. After 15 days support, suppose that 123 CDP version, it means your browser Chrome version is upgraded to 123 in that case. And then you have to wait till Selenium 4.19, which is supporting 123 or not. So let's see after 15 days also Selenium is not giving me any um, 4.19 version or new version here. And 4.18 it is only supporting 122. It means what will happen? You will still get the same warning here. So you will get the CDP warning once again. So nothing to worry about it. You can ignore this warning. It is not coming because of your code. It is coming because of the latest Selenium version is maybe not supporting, or maybe you are using the older Selenium version as compared to your latest Chrome browser version. I hope this is clear. So always make it a habit of checking that which version of Selenium is supporting which version of CDP in your browser. If both are compatible, you will never get that particular warning here. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you all.